Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm going to be showing you how to see my friend's location on Snapchat. So this is actually easier than you think. First, we're going to be navigating over to our main dashboard of Snapchat and swipe to the left 2 times. So once if you swipe, you will get to your chat option from your camera, then you will get to your location section. So this is where it is going to be showing the location of your friends. So you can see if I zoom in a bit, we have different sections being shown up, and if someone is visible in this area and he's my friend, he's going to be most probably be showing up in here. So you can see we can see through a lot of different people who shared their stuff and everything. And yeah, so that's how you can see your friend's location on Snapchat. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more and see you around in the next video.